Hello, so this is page 622, number 28, the first problem out of three that deals with composite figures, and it did ask you to find the surface area, but we said we're going to find the surface area and the volume of each shape. So I know that the surface area of a pyramid is the lateral area plus the area of the base. So the surface area is the lateral area plus the area of the base. But you see, that base over here, it's covered. It's actually overlapping. So I have the top pyramid is kind of hiding that base of the bottom one, same thing, vice versa. So that base of the top pyramid and same thing on the bottom pyramid, that base, that area is actually covered. So I know I have two congruent triangles because they told us actually in the book that the height of this one is also 3, which I didn't write it here. But, the two pyramids are actually congruent. So I know that I have 2 of these. But I won't use the base. I'm actually going to subtract the base out of the equation because, again, it's covered. And we always subtract the covered area. So if I can figure out the lateral area, I can just double it and I'm done. Because again, that base, we're not going to deal with it at all. So I have the surface area of the top pyramid minus the base, surface area of the bottom pyramid minus the base, which is pretty much the lateral area of each. So let me grab another color. We have now the lateral area of the pyramid is half of the perimeter times the slant height. So they gave me the height, but they didn't give me the slant height. So I know that I can figure it out by Pythagorean theorem. I have a right triangle. I have one of the legs is 3. The other leg here is half the side, which is 2. And if I do Pythagorean theorem, I should end up with root 13 for the hypotenuse, or the slant height. So I know that the slant height is root 13. Whoops. So now I just have to plug it in. So half of the perimeter of the base, well, I have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, which is 16, or 4 times 4, because I just add the sides of the base, times root 13. And I have half of 16 times root 13, but I have 2 of the pyramids, so we agreed I want 2 lateral areas. Well, 2 times half 16 root 13 is just 16 root 13. So that's the surface area of that shape. And if you just multiply it on the calculator, 16 times root 13, you should end up with, I think, 57.69. So I have the surface area now of that composite figure, which is just the 2 lateral areas of the pyramids. Again, we took away that base. We don't want it because it's covered. Alright, let's use the same composite figure and do the volume. So now to calculate the volume is really easy. We don't have to worry about covered parts because the volume is just filling up that thing with, or that diagram, or that composite figure with, let's, kind of imagine we're filling it with water or something. So any covered parts don't matter. So we have the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 the area of the base times the height, not the slant height this time, just the regular height that is perpendicular to the base. So I have 1/3 times the area of the base. Well, the area of the base is 4 times 4, length times width. side times side, which is 16, times 3, because that's the height. 1/3 of 3 is just 1, so I have the volume of one pyramid is 16 meters cubed. But I have 2 pyramids, so I take that 16 and times it by 2 because I have 2 pyramids. So the volume of the composite figure, 16 times 2, which is 32 meters cubed. So that's 1 pyramid for 16, and then the composite figure is just 2 pyramids. So I have 32. Hope this helps. Thank you.